Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the pound dollar chart and 4 hour time frame. We have had our trade running from here. We sold it and I've been posting videos managing it throughout its bearish move down here. Last time I updated when taking these lows and the profit was 300 pips, and now we have if you have watched my last video, you would have seen we put our stop loss here, bringing back down from there to here, yeah. And if you see, it didn't took this high and started moving lower and gave us another 100 pips profit. And now we have closed most of our trade, but only a small portion is still there, whose stop loss is going to be squeezed above this high, which I have taken on my own account as well. So this is going to be our stop loss, and we will still look for the lows which are down here, this one first and these ones. Okay, so let's move to the gold chart. So I have had anticipated that we are gonna dive back down from this fair value gap to here, but it went higher to this new week opening gap. Our stop is here, if you can see, and it started moving lower, gave us these lows, and we had like 1:1 or something like that RR down here, but it didn't come to the target and started moving back higher from this order block, and I'd taken the stop loss as well. So I wasn't updating it here or live anywhere, but on my own account, when it came back from the drawdown into the entry, tapped this fair value gap again and started moving lower. When this move was happening, I moved my stop above this high, above the entry, a little bit higher, and it was like 10% of my trade left, because I closed some around here, and the rest was uh, floating here profits, but I didn't close them. I anticipated these lows and then this one, but it went higher and took the stop loss. So this has already gone, and I believe I should not touch it for now, and I will move on to the NASDAQ chart, where in my last video I updated you guys that it has taken our second target, didn't take our final target, but reversed back down. Our trade was closed here and it moved back down, and I told you guys in my last video that we are gonna tap this fair value gap, and that's what it has done on Sunday opening. It came in here, tapped a little bit into it, candles closed below it, and it started moving lower, which I told you these lows are our targets, and which has already been met here. And if you see the strong momentum of this candle, which and some consolidation around here, then breaking down below this fair value gap, and then again coming up to tap the equilibrium of this gap at 9 or 10 a.m. candle. It's 4-hour chart. Its 10 a.m. candle was the best price entry, or maybe 9:30 to 9:50 as well. And if you see, it didn't close above these the equilibrium of this fair value gap and started moving lower. It still didn't take our stop loss, if you see down here, but I believe that I've seen some SMT in ES, and this one ESH, yeah, it's 2025, yeah, it's yeah. So if you see, let me change this one into candlesticks. How do we do that? Yep, it's here. Okay, so if you see that we have these lows on ES. If you see, it has not taken this low, whereas I will take these markings out of here. This one stay, and yeah, and if you see that they have taken the low in here on NASDAQ, you see the ES has not taken, ES hasn't taken the low, and NASDAQ has already taken the low. So we see a clear SMT divergence in between them. So I believe we can move higher, but I won't recommend a buying until it takes this high on ES, and this high should be taken off with some strong momentum if we wanna see a bullish price move. And similarly, NASDAQ has to close above this fair value gap and with some strong momentum, and then we can see a price action to come so it can come back to the fair value gap or any order block or something like that, and then we can look for a buy entry towards the all-time high again. Okay, so that's it for now. See you next time. Happy trading and have a nice weekend. Bye.